Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Acrobat accessibility edits for brand PDF export easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Navigate to the Edit menu in the top menu bar. Select Preferences from the drop-down options. In the Preferences window, look for the Accessibility category on the left side. Click on Accessibility to access the relevant settings. Locate the option that says Replace Document Colors. Uncheck this box to disable any automatic color adjustments for accessibility. Next, find the Use Accessible Document Structure option. Uncheck this box as well. This action will prevent Acrobat from automatically making changes aimed at accessibility. After making these adjustments, click OK to save your changes. Now, open the PDF you wish to export. Go to the File menu and select Export to. Choose your preferred format for the export. Before finalizing the export, review the settings to ensure they reflect your desired preferences. Click Save to export the document. Your PDF will now be exported without the applied accessibility edits. Review the exported PDF to confirm that it meets your expectations. You're all set. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.